Welcome back to another fucking banger. Today I'll be showing you how to get local music onto your Xbox. So let's get straight into it. The first thing we're going to do is have our external drive, and we're going to plug this into our computer. Alright, now it's plugged into our computer. We're going to make a new folder and name it Xbox Music Library. And we want it to have a capital X, capital M, and a capital L with spaces in between, like so. Now we have this folder on our USB drive. We're gonna put all of our music inside of this folder. Xbox can only play 200 of our local files, but that's okay. So now we have this folder, Xbox Music Library, on our USB device. From here, we're just going to eject it, like so. And now we're going to take our USB device and plug it into our Xbox. We're going to search for simple, background, music, player. Okay, not sure why it's having a hissy fit. Let me just go to the store. Simple. So we want to install this. Simple background music player. Okay, now we have it installed, we're just going to launch the app and make sure our USB device is plugged in. From here, we're going to press Y. Now we've pressed Y, we now have the background music player on our Xbox. And now we can successfully listen to our local files on our Xbox. So it probably won't let me play it because I'm streaming my console to my computer. Yeah, it closed it. But boom, it's that motherfucking simple. Peace!